While the Roborock Saros 10 offers a lot to like, it's important to also consider where it falls short, especially if you're weighing it against other high-end options. In this section, we'll highlight a few reasons why the Saros 10 might not be the perfect fit for everyone. These points may or may not be deal breakers depending on your priorities, but they're worth noting before making a purchase. If you're still interested, you'll find a purchase link in the description. One of the more practical annoyances is the thick power cord for the base station, which can be difficult to tuck away neatly behind the station itself, especially in tighter spaces. Another limitation appears in the vacuum's monitoring mode. While you can remotely patrol your home, there's currently no ability to capture photos or videos, which limits its functionality for home security purposes. Now, technically, you could screen record or screen capture as kind of a workaround. On the performance side, the Saros 10's obstacle avoidance on carpeted floors is noticeably weaker than on hard floors. This can be a drawback in homes with a lot of carpet and clutter, where precise navigation is going to be essential. Lastly, the glossy finish on the base station looks fantastic, but it tends to attract fingerprints very easily, which may be frustrating if you prefer a clean, smudge-free appearance. In short, while the Roborock Saros 10 excels in many areas, it's not without a few inconveniences that could impact day-to-day use. If cable management, smart monitoring features, or polished aesthetics are high on your list, these quirks might give you pause.